Who's going to replace Faf du Plessis at the top of the order?
So they have two options. Devon Conway, obviously New Zealand opener, Fleming is there as well. So, that gives you a little comfort as well in the pitches in Maharashtra, in Mumbai, in Wankhede, in CCI. The good pitches are similar to pitches which, you play in the overseas. Devon Conway looks very comfortable in that way. But if you don't play Devon Conway, who can you play? As an opener is Robin Uthappa.
He's opened in the past.
Absolutely, and he's been a fantastic opener as well. What it does, if Devon Conway doesn't play and Robin Uthappa opens, then you will get a chance to play Mahesh Theekshana from the start. If Devon Conway plays, then obviously you need to play other overseas guys like Adam Milne because you need that extra pace in Mumbai pitches, Maharashtra pitches. You have Bravo, you're going to play Moeen Ali as well because he's been fantastic. So the over four slots will be filled. But if Conway doesn't play, then what will happen? Mahesh Theekshana, the mystery spinner, will come into play.